it's Jelisa and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, we will be diving into my Louis Vuitton Neverfull GM. Now this is the largest bag in the Neverfull collection. So I got this bag for Christmas. It was a gift from Bae and I was so excited, you guys. I have been wanting this bag for so long and I was so excited to receive this bag. So yes, let's just jump right into what's in my bag. So guys, first off, I do want to show you guys that it did come in this really pretty fancy Louis Vuitton bag. It's kind of like a gold mustard color and it came in this box right here. So when you open it up, it has a little dust bag in here and the purse it comes in the dust bag. I believe it came in the dust bag in this box. So this is really just, it feels luxury, which it is, and I don't know, I'm excited about this bag. So first off, this is the overall look of the bag. It's huge, you guys. You can fit everything in here. I have this little cute little I don't know what you call these. They're like little furry balls. I have a black one on and I think it goes really well with the bag. And as for the inside, I have a insert. So we're just gonna take the insert out and start from there. So this is the insert. I got this insert from Etsy and it has a bunch of different compartments in it so you can keep like a lot of things in here, guys. So as for the inside of the bag, you're gonna see it has the little Louis Vuitton logo and it has a zip part right here where you can keep things. Oh, I have like some gloves in here and Kleenex, so yeah. So this right here is like a little clamp thing. I don't know what you call it, but it's a little clamp and you can't zip this bag closed, but you can clamp it together like that. And it also has some extra little hooks inside right here. And yeah, it's just one little hook right here where you can, if I can show you guys, where you can hook something like the wallet or the little zip pouch that comes with it. You can hook that onto there, and that's usually what I do with mine. So this little pouch came with it, and inside this little pouch I just have a bunch of gift cards that I received for Christmas. I have a Zaxby's gift card, a Belt gift card, Starbucks, just a plain Visa card, Chick-fil-A, another Visa card, another Starbucks card, Ulta card, and yeah, and I just keep like if I'm going in stores, I just keep, or going out to eat, I just keep some lip gloss in here so I can freshen up my lips. And I also keep money in this little pouch right here, so like cash money. So yeah, that's it for this little pouch. So going into this handy dandy insert. All right, so we're just gonna start on the outside pouch. So in here, let's see, I have like some little plasticware for if you're like out somewhere, you don't have anything to eat with, or if you like to eat with plasticware at restaurants. I keep that in there. And I also have some candy, guys. I got a candy bar, the Hershey's Cookies and Creams. This is one of my favorite candy bars. And I also have some of the Longhorn mints in there. I guess I went to Longhorn not too long ago and put those mints in there. They are so good, by the way. So let's go into these little two pouches on the side. So in the first one, let's just take it all out. Alright, so in the very bottom of the first one, I just have a pair of pearl earrings. I don't know if you can see them, but yes, I keep a pair of pearl earrings in my purse because you never know when you're gonna just need to throw some on, or if you lose one. I love pearl earrings, guys. I wear pearls with everything. So next, I just have some lip gloss by Nika K, and some hand sanitizer, and I have these really cute little pens that I think I got these from Cracker Barrel. So I have 2 pens in there, and I have this perfume, Viva La Juicy perfume. It smells so good. Oh, I'm gonna put some on now. Okay, so for the next little pouch, I have some Q-tips, and I have a pack of extra gum. So that's all for that pouch. So just going into the actual body of the bag, or the insert, I have a pair of socks. And I believe I have these in there because we went bowling whenever I was carrying this purse, and I had on some sandals, so I had to bring a pair of socks. So next, I have another large pouch of, a large pack of extra gum. I love extra. I love the spearmint extra gum, so I have to keep plenty of that in there. I have this Jergens Ultra Healing Lotion, hand lotion. And I also have this little container. I think this is actually, yeah, it has a little mirror in it. I think this is actually for my contacts, but I do keep this in there for my lashes. So y'all know when y'all are out and your lashes are just acting wonky, or you're just tired of them, they're irritating your eyes, I keep this in there so I can keep up with them and they don't get all crunched up and everything. So next, I have something that has totally changed my life. It is a planner, and it says the best is yet to come. I love this planner, guys. I use this mainly like because I do makeup, and it has like the little months where y'all know how a planner looks, but it helped me to keep up with my appointments, my times, all of that stuff. So, and I keep up with like when I work, so I can easily just reference this planner, and if I'm talking to somebody about makeup and they want their makeup done, I can easily go and see if I have to work on that day. And I normally don't do makeup when I have to work on that day. So I have this planner. So next, let's turn it around and go into the other pouches, the other 2 pouches on the other side. So in the first one, okay, so this one just have like a bunch of medicine type things. So first off, I have 2 Dayquil gel capsules. So next I have some Zyrtec D, and you know you're gonna need that for all this pollen that's going on. And I also have some cough drops, and some Dramamine, and another Dayquil, and I have some Aleve. In the next little pouch, I have, okay, I have this Crystal Light, what is this? Crystal Light liquid. So if you're at like a restaurant, or if you're out and you don't want to drink water, you have a water bottle, you can just spray some of this in there, squirt some of this in there, and there you'll have, this one is the Strawberry Pineapple Refresh. So good. So I have these little packets as well. These are the Hawaiian Punch packets in Wow Purple Splash. This is one of my favorite Hawaiian Punch packets. It's the grape. And the next one, oh, I really love this one too. This one is the Crush package, and this one is pineapple. So I really like this one as well. So next, this little thing comes out and it has little sticky parts on, well, it's kind of like Velcro where it sticks on the inside of the insert. And it has 2 pouches on each side. So we'll just go into those. I don't have anything on that side. Nothing in that one. And in this one, I just have some more Kleenex. So inside, guys, this does zip up. I love the, I guess it's gold hardware. I love this hardware. And inside, I just keep my wallet and it just have my personal items in it. And yeah, so let's see. I believe we are finished, guys. Yeah, so that is all that is in my bag. My bag is more on the organized side right now. I usually have a ton of more things in my bag, but I have been trying to keep it more organized because this is a nice bag and you don't want it to be all jumbled up and ugly. So thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a big thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, and as always, stay safe, stay home, and be blessed.